The BMW 1 Series F40 from 2019 to 2024 offers cruise control to maintain a set speed, enhancing comfort on long drives. Higher trims include adaptive cruise control for automated speed adjustments based on surrounding traffic. This video will guide you on how to enable and use both systems. To enable standard cruise control, first ensure you're driving above 20 kilometers per hour. Press the cruise control button on the steering wheel, marked with a speedometer icon. Use the plus and minus buttons to set your desired speed. The system will maintain this speed until deactivated. To deactivate standard cruise control, press the brake pedal or the cancel button on the steering wheel. To resume your previously set speed, tap the cruise control lever upwards. This will re-engage the system at your last setting. For BMW 1 Series F40 models equipped with adaptive cruise control, activate the system through the iDrive menu. First, navigate to the Vehicle menu, then select Driver Assistance. Next, choose Cruise Control. Finally, select Adaptive to activate ACC. Once activated, set your desired following distance using the displayed bars. Choose from 1 to 4 bars, where 1 is closest and 4 is farthest. Then set your desired speed using the plus and minus buttons on the steering wheel. Note that adaptive cruise control is available on higher trims equipped with the driving assistant package. Once activated, ACC uses radar and cameras to monitor the traffic ahead. It automatically adjusts your speed, accelerating or braking as needed to maintain the set following distance. The system operates within certain limits and requires clear sensor visibility. Cruise control systems have important limitations that drivers must understand for safe operation. Standard cruise control and adaptive cruise control both deactivate automatically below 20 kilometers per hour or when the vehicle detects heavy traffic conditions. In heavy traffic, the system may deactivate to prevent inappropriate acceleration or braking. Adaptive cruise control performance can be significantly affected by sensor obstructions such as fog, dirt, or other environmental factors that block radar and camera sensors. Most importantly, remember that cruise control is a driver assistance feature, not a replacement for human attention. It does not make the vehicle autonomous and cannot respond to all driving situations. Always remain alert, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and be ready to take immediate control at any moment. Some users reported minor bugs with ACC activation before the 2025 over-the-air update. To resolve this, ensure your iDrive system is up to date by checking for OTA updates through the Vehicle menu. If you experience unintended acceleration, this is a known issue addressed by the 2025 recall. Contact your BMW dealer for a free replacement of the cruise control switch. Cruise control technology continues to evolve towards semi-autonomous driving, with BMW focusing on Level 2 autonomy in newer models like the G20 1 Series. These advanced systems combine cruise control with lane keeping assist for highway piloting. Lane keeping assist systems, as shown in this diagram, work alongside cruise control to help maintain vehicle position within lanes, providing steering corrections and alerts. With BMW projecting 40% of new vehicles to be electric by 2030, successors like the i1 feature eco-cruise modes that optimize speed for battery efficiency, prioritizing energy-saving algorithms. Consumer interest in autonomous driving features is growing, as shown in this JD Power study, with rising demand for semi-autonomous capabilities like traffic jam assist. While the F40's hardware remains fixed, cybersecurity remains a challenge, with recent recalls addressing ACC vulnerabilities. BMW expects full Level 3 autonomy by 2030, potentially through aftermarket kits, though official support is not announced.